In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of graffiti style video. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI that actually you can try it for just $1. And here, after you create the account, you will arrive here. Now we have to go to the video section, click in settings, and here in model, we need to choose Omniflash. Now we have to click here. Now we have to select our video. For example, in my case is this one.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow.
And now let's click here. Now where it says describe your video. Now here where it says describe your video, we need to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. It looks really cool. So if you want to try this platform, remember that you can do it for just $1. With that, you will receive 10 credits and, for example, the video that we did had a cost of 5 credits. So you could do 2 videos like this one trying this platform. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.